guys, this is Carlos and welcome back to Two Modern Vegans. Today is a great day. Today the Beyond Beef has released and I've been able to find it. As of this video, it released a few days ago. I've been waiting for this since Beyond has announced it. And if you've seen my last video, you know how much I love their products, okay? They have changed the game on plant-based meats. We all know this. I'm sure you've seen their stock going crazy. So the Beyond Beef comes in a package like this, like how real beef used to come in. So a couple quick facts from this on the nutrition. I'm probably just gonna make it come up here on the screen as I talk. But basically, you have 250 calories. You only have about 3 carbs and 2 fibers. So you're talking about 1 net carb for all you like keto lovers out there. So today I'm gonna be making just a simple spaghetti. First I'm gonna taste it without the spaghetti sauce and without the spaghetti, because I know a lot of people are gonna wanna know how it tastes on its own, because we're all not gonna be using this in spaghetti. And then I'm gonna taste it with the sauce and with the spaghetti as a complete dish. Let's get into this video.
Alright guys, I just made a simple spaghetti with some chopped onion and some garlic. I sauteed it in the pan. And then I just took the Beyond Meat out of the package. It has a nice pull tab, so it opened very easily. No scissors needed. And then I tried to crumble it up with my spatula as best as I could. And you know, I really had to get in there to get it the size that I wanted. It browned nicely. And here's my reaction.
All right guys, so it just finished cooking. So one thing I noticed right off the bat from cooking a lot of Beyond Meat, especially a lot of burgers over the time since they've come out, the burgers have a very strong smell usually. And what I will say is that they've done an incredible job, and I know there's supposed to be new burgers out or coming out. The smell of this is a lot more faint. So this one doesn't nearly smell as strong, we'll just say, as the previous one did. So if you were turned off before of the smell, I would definitely give it a chance. So it browned up like meat, like I remember ground beef, I should say. Disclaimer here, it's been a while since I've had real ground beef. I haven't tasted it yet, so now we're gonna taste it plain, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest first reaction, okay? Here we go. Okay, so, all right, one more for good measure. Okay, so, of course, it's banging. I already knew it was gonna taste amazing. It's very similar to ground beef, honestly. And again, the taste isn't that strong. It has a more neutral taste than it did before. So I think, if you were turned off of the Beyond Burger in the past, or especially the old crumbles, this is way better. It's not even. I'm not even gonna even mention the old crumbles, honestly, compared to this. This is like, I feel like this kind of almost makes the crumbles way obsolete now for the people that were fans of that. But yeah, no, it's perfect. So 2 thumbs up for me. Now we're gonna finish the rest of this video, and I'm gonna give you my take at the end, making it into a spaghetti as a whole dish.
Alright, so I just added some tomato sauce to the Beyond Beef in a pan with some seasonings. I actually just boiled the spaghetti on the side, and yeah, it was really quick, really easy. And here's my plate, guys.
Alright, so I just finished making the spaghetti. Again, very simple, quick spaghetti, just basic seasonings, a little bit of Parmesan, a little bit of parsley on top. Nothing crazy. About to have a taste test to see how this actually tastes in a meal. And hope that I don't make too much of a mess. So here we go. Wow. Wow is all I can say. This thing is amazing. It tastes I mean, let me taste it one time. Taste it by itself without the noodles. Hopefully there's nothing on my face because I can't see. Incredible. Beyond Meat really outdone them. They really outdid themselves with this. I mean, the texture is on point. The flavor is on point. This is incredible. I mean, the taste is similar to beef. Even, it's delicious. Like, again, guys, I can't wait to make so many dishes with this. It was good before, honestly, by itself. But with this sauce and everything, it's too good. It's way, way too good. I'll be buying this all the time. I forgot to mention the price. It starts at, in my area at least, it was about $9.49, I believe. So, I mean, this thing is delicious. I definitely recommend it. 2 thumbs up for me. I'm gonna say, like I said with the Beyond Sausage, if you're willing to travel, if you find out Whole Foods or whatever other supermarket near you has, I would try to call maybe, stop by your local grocery store, see if they have it in yet. Because it should be coming out within the next 2 to 3 weeks. If you don't see it yet, it might be there today. Go get it now. This thing is delicious, it's flavorful, it's versatile. This, for real though, any meat eater, I challenge you to give this to them, honestly. If you guys like this video, I hope you guys like my reaction / review. Again, 10 out of 10. Please make sure that you guys just take a second to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to comment on this video, and please share this video with everybody you know. I'm about to finish this whole plate and probably go get some more, so yeah. All right, guys, till next time, bye.